One of the viewers that I recently visited recommended that I make a video is why everybody should get a Milwaukee. Break it loose with that. Spin it out with this. And even for your easy stuff, pop those up. Get an extension for this one. I'll get that one too. When I'm climbing in and out of the engine, this license plate holder is horrible to me, so I even take it off. You can take just about everything off with the Milwaukee, but when you put it on, you want to slow it down so you don't over torque things. Even the little stuff. Some more Henry in action. There you have it. If you can get one for yourself, get it ASAP. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.